Something that doesn't get frequently talked about is the fact that science is not constant, meaning it changes, and it's been changing for a very, very long time. I mean, for instance, there are hormones that they're only now really getting a handle on. So when we're looking at the science to essential oils, the studies of them are continuously happening, and they're always being referenced as more research is necessary. That said, things that we talk about today may not apply in the future because of all the discoveries with hormones and your body and so on and so forth. And again, there's no book that talks about your body specifically. However, I can show you how to identify the science in such a way that you can actually keep up with these changes. How does that sound to you? Let me know.